All right, today we are going to fix your browser. I mean, if you've ever felt like your computer is just actively working against you, I've got you covered. I've found 7 amazing and totally free Chrome extensions that are going to solve your biggest frustrations and seriously upgrade your online life. So let's just dive right in. Does this sound familiar? You know, you sit down to do one simple thing, and then suddenly an hour has gone by, you're lost in this sea of tabs, your computer is slowing to a crawl, and you're just completely frustrated. Yeah, it really does feel like our browsers are working against us sometimes, but what if we could take back control? Okay, first up, let's tackle a problem that I think pretty much everyone faces: the endless, super distracting rabbit hole that is YouTube. Oh, 100%. You go to watch one specific tutorial, right? But you're immediately just bombarded by this wall of flashy thumbnails and clickbait titles. I mean, YouTube's algorithm is a master at keeping you watching, pulling you away from what you actually came there to do in the first place. Well, the solution is this incredible extension called Unhook, and wow, the difference is just night and day. On the left, you see the typical cluttered YouTube page we all know. And on the right, with Unhook installed, all of that noise is just gone. You only get the video you wanted to see. It's like an instant focus boost. All right, on to problem number 2, which is all about speed. You know, if your browser feels more like a tortoise than a hare, this one's definitely for you. We have all been there. You've got 10, 20, maybe even 50 tabs open. You tell yourself, oh, I need all of them, but your computer's fan is just screaming and every single click takes forever. That's because each Chrome tab eats up a significant chunk of your computer's memory, your RAM, which is what you need to run everything smoothly. The hero for this problem is an extension called OneTab. With just a single click, it closes all your open tabs and puts them into one simple list. And the result? You can get back up to 95% of your memory instantly. Your browser is clean, your computer is fast again, and you can just restore any tab whenever you actually need it. Okay, our third fix is for anyone who writes, well, anything online, from a super important email to just a simple social media post. That little bit of anxiety right before you hit send, it's real. You want to sound professional and clear, but it is so easy to miss a small typo or a little grammatical error, especially if English isn't your first language. And this is where Grammarly becomes your absolute best friend. It's an AI-powered assistant that works everywhere you write online. It doesn't just catch typos, it suggests better phrasing and fixes grammatical mistakes on the fly. It's literally like having a personal proofreader looking over your shoulder 24/7. Okay, let's switch gears a little bit. Problem number 4 isn't about distraction or errors, but about just sheer information fatigue. Oh man, screen fatigue is a huge issue. You've got a dozen articles you need to get through for research or for work, but your eyes are strained, your focus is just gone. You just wish you could absorb all that information without having to read every single word. Well, you can. The fix is a brilliant extension called ReadMe. It's a powerful text-to-speech tool that reads any web page out loud to you. You can rest your eyes, lean back, and listen to that long article like it's your very own personal podcast. It's amazing. Next up, we have a solution for a super specific but incredibly common frustration, especially for students and developers. You know the feeling. You're watching a programming tutorial and the instructor has this big block of code on the screen. You need that code, but it's trapped inside a video. You can't select it, you can't copy it. Your only option is to manually type it all out and just pray you don't make a mistake. So frustrating. Well, not anymore. With screenshot-to-text OCR, it is ridiculously easy. It uses a technology called optical character recognition to literally read the text in any image. You just pause the video, drag a box around the text you want, and boom, it's instantly copied to your clipboard. This is a massive time saver. All right. Problem number 6 is one we can all relate to: that constant barrage of distracting online ads. Exactly! You're trying to focus on an interesting article, but there are flashing banner ads, auto-playing videos in the sidebar, pop-ups covering the text. It completely shatters your concentration and just makes the whole experience really unpleasant.
The fix for this is an extension called Clearly Reader. And look at this. The before is just chaotic. The after is pure zen. Clearly Reader strips away all the ads, all the sidebars, the pop-ups, and leaves you with just the clean, readable text. It turns any messy web page into a peaceful reading sanctuary. And for our seventh and final tool, we're solving a major headache for anyone who's ever tried to give or get tech support remotely. Yeah, third-party remote access software can be a real pain. It's often laggy, the connection can be totally unreliable, and it requires everybody to download and install a separate program, which just adds friction to what should be a simple process.
Well, the fix is built right into your browser. It's Chrome Remote Desktop. It's Google's own solution, and it's fast, it's reliable, and it's secure. And because it's fully integrated with your Google account, there's no extra software to install for you or for the person you're helping. You can share your screen or access another computer just seamlessly. So there you have it. This is your new browser toolkit. For every one of those common frustrations, from YouTube distractions to a slow PC, from writing errors to ad clutter, there is a simple, free solution. This is your cheat sheet to taking back control of your browser. So, you've seen the tools. You have everything you need to build a faster, smarter, and way more focused browsing experience. The only question is, which one of these annoying problems are you going to solve first? Go on, try one out, and see what a huge difference it makes. Thanks for joining me.
If you have subscribed yet, please do so to receive informative videos regularly. Your one click means a lot to us.